Merlin's here.
It's the middle of the night, guys. It's the middle of the night. I just came for a Pepsi. Actually, I brought something. Those came in today.
Nice.
So you can hook up your clutch slave.
Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're back on the sand rail. We're getting ready for the big event coming up in March, and we're trying like mad to get this thing running and get it on the road so we can test it. So let's get going. Alrighty, we're gonna go on the transaxle tubes. We've got to put some gaskets on because we're gonna put them on the other side here. And we got some different boots to put on. We got some bearing covers to finish up. There's a spacer piece here that's we're gonna leave off, and we're gonna put the disc brakes on. So seal no good. Okay. I always try to find a socket just the right size for the seal, and we'll just knock it back in there, and we'll be good to go. Nope. Okay, we got a new seal. We'll grease it up. Let's see here. That's what I thought. All right. Just wanted to double check my direction here. Okay. That goes in there like so. Okay, let's see. So this is going to be on this side. So that's going to be down. I should probably put it together the way it's going to be, huh? That makes the most sense. Okay. I almost grabbed that. All right. Now, stay. What I need to do now is I'll take these bolts and oh, don't leave me. Come on. Come on, no. Okay. All right, well, that didn't work. Let's try it the other way. There it goes. Okay, grease. Okay, I would have got that wrong. Okay, so the gasket goes there first. All right, so the O-ring goes here. Okay, this goes here. Looks like I better get some sealant. Aha. Okay, guys, if you see me doing something wrong, please let me know, because holes on the bottom. Oops. I'm not going to go Gorilla Tight because we may have to go back in there and change something if I did something and if I did something wrong. So that's okay. And also, I took the gaskets off this side because this used to be on this side. It had more gaskets than the other side. So we'll transfer those over as well. Okay. This here. So we'll take 2 of these here and we'll glue them together. All right. I don't like this part of the job, but okay. Ick. Okay. I need to find that hardware. Not sure where I put it. All right. Come on, little turkey. Oh, you know what? Okay, that'll do for now. It's not our final answer, but that'll at least let us get it that much more done here. All right, we're just mogging up with jet ski bolts for right now. We'll have to make a run to Tractor Supply to get some decent hardware. Boo. Way better. I had to add another gasket. Or actually, I added 2 more gaskets.
There's only one person that comes in here like this. That's me.
Merlin's here.
It's the middle of the night, guys. It's the middle of the night. I just came for a Pepsi. Actually, I brought something. Those
Oh,
came in
dude.
today.
Nice.
So you can hook up your clutch slave. Oh yeah, look at this. Axle's going in. Woo! I like it.
Oh, yeah, it's definitely an education.
Oh yeah, it's a dune buggy. They're fun. Fun time to live. You know, all the engineers that made the world fly and bombs fly, and yeah, they built these things. This is what they did in their spare time.
Right. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna put on the cover, the oil cover piece here. Right. This is our block off plug that we found online for like 18 bucks. And we need to grease it up. All right, let's try this again. All right. I'm going to go ahead and put a little sealant on this bolt so that it doesn't leak oil. Okay, got a little bit of RTV on there. Okay. Now that's all closed up. We're ready to steam clean, pressure wash. I took this oil cap here. It was a little loose. So I took some pliers and crimped the oil cap here. Now it fits nice and tight now. It doesn't rattle or vibrate anymore. And then I'm going to rebuild the bearing for the idler. And we should be good to go. I just need to steam clean this thing up. I need to weld this bolt here so I can pull this stud out. It broke. And then I need to plug this hole here and this hole here, and we'll be ready to pressure wash this thing, which is very positive. Get this all cleaned up. Alrighty guys, we got a lot of it together. It's waterproof enough to where I want to steam clean it, pressure wash it, get it all nice and pretty so we can, on final assembly, we'll be ready to test run it. So we'll do that tomorrow.